Good morning, afternoon, class. Today we're going to be working on our lab reports. The first thing that you do once you get your computer open is go to chartgo.com. All right, open up the internet and go to chartgo.com. Once you get there, your image should appear like this on the screen. All right. The first thing that we do as a class, we're going to make our graphs. We're going to have two graphs in this lab report. That's the first thing that we're going to do. All right, make sure you go to chartgo.com. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to click where it says chart type and you're going to click on the bar graph. All right, we're making bar graphs today. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to give our graphs a title. Go to where it says chart title. You're going to give your graph a title. Also label your Y and X axes. All right, remember which variable goes where. Next, you should record all of the data that goes on your X and Y axes. Remember what information goes where. See the board for your example. Alright, so once you have saved both of your graphs as pictures, what I want you to do is open up a new window and go to google.cps.edu, and your screen should look something like this on the board. Once you have entered your username and password, your screen should look something like this, and then you will click on the tab that says Drive at the top of your page. Once you have opened up your drive, I want you to click on the tab that says Create, and then I want you to click on the Document tab. Alright, then you should open up a screen that looks something like this. Click on the Untitled Document tab and give our document a name. The name that we're going to give it is your first and last name, and then sunflower afterwards. Alright? Now I want you to click on the Share tab, and I want you to share this document with myself. You see my email on the board. It's dacollins7@cps.edu. And if you're in my fourth period class, please share this with Miss Lucido as well. You see her email on the board as well. Click Share and Save. Now we can begin writing. Now set up your paper. Make sure that you have your title at the top, that you label your introduction, and then begin writing your introduction based on the draft that you already have. Take 10 minutes worth of class to do this. Go. Now you should begin typing your procedures section. Make sure that it is labeled much like the one above. Now write your results section based on the draft that you have already created. Make sure that you label it at the top. Now let's write our conclusion section. Make sure that you label it like the one above. Use the draft that we have already created.